How you doing, everyone? It's Kevin. I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to be working on building some small hooks out of 1/4-inch dowel. So we got the forge fired up. As soon as it gets heated up, we're going to start beating on some steel. Alright, here's the 2 hooks that I beat out. I just mounted them on an old piece of wood so you could see what they look like. This one would be good for like keys. This one would be good for coats and maybe hats. I think that would work out for a hat or a coat. Alright, that's the 3 hooks that I made. And this is basically really the first time I ever built a hook really in the forge. And I did find out that it's not that can I build a hook, it's can I build 2 hooks the same. And I think that's going to take some practice. I think over time you'll be fine, but for me, like, I should have counted the twist that I did when I put the hook in the vise and was twisting it. I should have counted my hooks the first time, or my twist, and then I think I could have got that a little bit better. But it's all a learning process. I mean, you got to do it to learn it. I mean, so next time I would count my twist. For some reason, and I don't know why, I might have got the metal when I beat that round bar out into a square bar. I may have got one just a little bit fatter than the other, but I don't think that's going to matter. They're hand forged hooks, so they're probably not all going to look identically the same. But you just basically want to get them as close as you possibly can to being the same. I think I did a pretty good job, honestly. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Let me know what you think. Did I do a good job, a decent job at it for my first 3 hooks? I didn't make another one of the little ones, but I think it would have been easier to make it twice than the bigger ones with the twist in them. So that's my hooks. I think they turned out fairly decent. So I would like to tell everybody thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave me thumbs up, thumbs down, or a comment if you'd like. Till next time.